Hello everyone, welcome to switispeaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 26 of 111 days verification challenge. The topic which we are going to see today is STA terminologies. This belongs to the skill set STA, which is static timing analysis. Let's see today's question. The first question is you need to explain the difference between time borrowing and time stealing. Second question is about timing path. What is timing path and what are start and end points? After this, you will explain some terminologies. I reiterate since it's STA, which is static timing analysis, explain all these concepts with the help of timing diagrams or waveforms. That's how you are going to understand STA properly. Then you need to explain the terminologies. The first one is launch edge, second is capture edge, reset assertion, reset deassertion, critical path, false path, and multi-cycle path. Solve these questions today and tomorrow I'll see you for day 27 challenge. Thank you.